What is cold straightening and why is it becoming the norm on many frame rails and reinforcements? We're going to find out next.
This video is sponsored by Induction Innovations. The Mini Ductor and Inductor series of flameless heating tools help you remove parts with precision, without a torch or open flame. Visit theinductor.com to learn more.
A common practice to make steel more pliable and easier to work with is to apply heat. But with high-strength steels, this may not be a recommended procedure on metal that is not to be replaced. Why? Because heat may damage its strength and negatively affect its structural integrity. That's where cold straightening comes in. In this procedure, heat is used in the repair, but it may be limited in temperature and/or time heated. Induction heaters are a great way to control heat. They use an RF or magnetic field to create heat. Due to the heat radiating from within the metal and the magnetic field being very narrowly focused, it's easier for technicians to control the heat. The magnetic field may also be moved to create a larger heat effect zone if needed. The time it takes for an induction heater to heat the metal is considerably short. This helps limit the damage that could be caused by heat radiating outward. Many machines can achieve up to 1300 degrees Fahrenheit in seconds. With a non-contact thermometer, a technician can control the heat effect zone fairly easily. With the introduction of high-strength steels, the collision industry has had to re-examine the old ways of doing things. Heat is the enemy of the new exotic metals found in today's vehicles. By controlling the heat with induction heaters, you avoid compromising the structural integrity of these new metals. If not, there could be disastrous consequences should the vehicle be involved in another crash. I'm Jason Stahl. Thanks for watching.